name is Janvi
and my name is Tanvi.
Welcome to our channel Food Travel and Recipes. Today we are going to show you another recipe with mango. You can make it for any occasion at your house. Today we are going to make Mango Sheera. It is very easy and delicious. You can make it with very less ingredients and these ingredients may be available at your home. So let's have a look at the recipe. Now we'll heat up a kadhai. And add half cup of ghee. This is homemade ghee. Let the ghee melt. Then we have to add Sooji, half cup of Sooji, and give it a nice mix. You have to remember that if you take half cup of Sooji, you have to take half cup of ghee and half cup of sugar. The proportion should be same and milk should be double, like 1 cup of milk. We have to roast this rava till it is brown in color on low flame. In this Sooji which we are roasting, we have to add dry fruits. You can add any choice of dry fruits. I am adding almonds and cashews. If you add them now, they will be nicely crunchy. We'll mix it and roast them also with Sooji till the Sooji is brown in color. Till our rava is roasting, we'll heat 1 cup of milk. This is boiled milk. We have to boil it on low flame. Now the ghee is separating from the Sooji. On this stage we have to add the mangoes. This is one finely chopped mango, medium sized mango. Now we'll mix it. You can see the color of our sheera. There is no need to add artificial color because these are Alfonso mangoes. They are natural in color. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of cardamon powder and give it a nice mix. Cover this and cook till the mangoes are soft. Our milk is heated and you may see the Sooji is also roasted nicely and the mangoes are also soft. Now we need to add the milk to it. Add the milk very slowly because it may spoil on you and hurt you. And now stir it very nicely. And now cover it. Now our milk is dissolved. Now we'll mix it. And now we'll add half cup of sugar and mix it. You need to mix the sheera with gentle hands and cover it till the sugar will dissolve. sugar is dissolved. Now we'll switch off the gas. And now our sheera is ready. Now it's time to serve. You may see the color and texture of our sheera. It is very yummy. Now we'll plate our sheera. Now it is ready to eat. We are decorating our sheera. And then add some dry fruits. And now our sheera is ready to eat. Now she'll taste it.
मस्त झालं तुम्ही.
Please like, share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to share and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.
आता
Bye.
आता मी शिरा खाणार.